everyone. Hi friends. This is a lovely place in Kanha Shanti in Hyderabad. So see how the sound is coming from this place. This is one of the wonderful place I can say in the world, and it's my personal experience. And people are coming from different countries of India and different countries of the world, and people are here. So they are enjoying the nature. Okay, so this is one of the best place we can say, and like you can meditate, you can enjoy the nature, you can have good food, a lot of unique things, a lot of natural things you can enjoy. So spend some time for yourself, and you'll definitely enjoy this place. I can tell you. So just you can see like how it looks and what is the sound, what sort of sound is coming. You can handle on this, and overall I can say it's one of the best place. Please enjoy it.